Benefiting from beautiful countryside views and situated in a no-through road is this stunning brand new 5-bedroom family home built entirely of reclaimed bricks. A large driveway leads up to the property and around to a detached triple garage with a workshop and cloakroom, offering plenty of parking. From the large entrance hall are doors to the study, cloakroom and 27-foot attractive kitchen diner. Benefiting from a range of modern cream units and contrasting granite worktops, there's a central island, space for a range-style cooker and additional appliances, plus a stylish slate floor. A door to one side leads into the separate utility room, whilst to the other, French doors open out into the well-proportioned conservatory. Light and airy, it's an ideal space for relaxing, with double doors opening into the pretty rear garden. Offering much privacy, it's around 100 foot long, with a decked patio area and a large lawn. The ground floor also benefits from a well-proportioned dual-aspect drawing room, whilst on the first floor are 4 double bedrooms, the large master with an ensuite bathroom, plus the family bathroom with marble wall and floor tiling. This spacious home also features a 27-foot 5th bedroom on the top floor, which could be split into 2 rooms or used as a playroom.